Hi everyone, welcome to ResepKik channel. Today I want to share how to make a banana cake an easy way without the oven. And what we need are 8 bananas, 150 gram flour, 150 gram granulated sugar, 5 tablespoons cooking oil, 3 eggs, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon vanilla powder, and cheddar cheese for topping. Before start to the next step, prepare the cake mold coating with the butter. And pot or steamer as long could be able for steam. And now let's start by smashing the banana. Smash the banana just fine to be like this. Don't need to be until smooth. And now I would like to start for the next step by adding sugar and eggs. And I will beat it together. Keep beating until the sugar dissolves. And now I'm going to add the other ingredients. And I will beat it again about 10 minutes to make it everything dissolve and mix together very well. And for the next step, I will add in the flour inside. And finally, now add in the banana inside and mix well. And now it's ready for steam. Before start steaming, make sure the water is fully boiled. And I'm going to steam about 45 minutes. After steam about 45 minutes, I'm going to open and check. By using chopstick to check if the cake truly cooked inside, it can be seen by the chopstick. If it come out smoothly like this, that means the cake is already well cooked. But if it still roughly stick on it, you need to steam or bake a little longer. After bring up from the steamer, let's wait the cake to be slightly cold before adding the topping. Finally, after the cake slightly cold, I'm going to add the topping by grated the cheese over. And now the steamed banana cake is already done and ready to serve. And this is steamed banana cake. And this recipe you could try it at home and hope you like it. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you again for the next episode only at ResepKik channel. Bye bye.